Something ensured that what you're about to see would have been deemed impossible by experts just a few decades ago. Because I am the silent force against progress. The unseen hand that guides your way. I tell you when to leap ahead and how far your visions sail. You thought the world was your limit, believed beyond my stubborn wall. Their lies where ignorance is crowned. A revolution, yours to call. Perhaps not the stars, the glitter of fame, or the rumble of rockets and planes. The flow mechanics' holy game, but something soft and tender, with the power of billions of jets, became your flame. Because you really dared to challenge me, ventured into my strongest sea, guided it and forced its flow, built unseen paths as you go, and walls where none should be. You used the craftiest tricks to win this fight, built teams sharp, precise, with ideas and skills of many minds, yielding more than just the sum combined. You dared more than anyone thought possible, chased the improbable, made dreams transmissible, achieved what once seemed impossible. I surrender. For your triumph, I will grant you a measly reward. For your fierce desire to innovate, I'll give you every decade.